Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and before this video gets started, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I'm here with my sister. Say hi, sister. Okay, she said hi, and we're gonna tell you guys the secret that you can hide in here in the Brookhaven. I don't know what this thing called, airplane, yeah. So let's go, guys. And so guys, I will gonna carry her, cause I just wanna be the one that I'm carrying her. So let's go now. So actually my sis can't video call today, and my sis is in other place. So yeah. Oh, why I can't? I don't know. Maybe we needed to drop. Yay, guys! And now, can we play hide and seek, please? Okay, guys. Of course. Okay, thank you. Okay, you seek her. Okay. Okay, so guys, she was gonna be the seeker, and there she go. Okay, now we're gonna go get hide here. We can hide here, you guys. Oh my gosh. There, we can hide here. She won't find us here. Just be small, guys, and you can enter this one. Okay, she's okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, I think she just tried it. Oh yeah, already you're not here. I come. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't see her. See that, guys? Oh my gosh, I can't move. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Okay. Found you, sis. Okay. Okay, you find me. So now it's your turn again. Please, you again. Please. I can't see, sis. Like, she said. Okay, you go get that. Oh my gosh, how did she know, you guys? Am I moving? Okay, now we can maybe hide here. You can hide here, you guys. Just be like a plant. Yes, just be a plant. Okay, I'm gonna change for a second. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, so I changed like this, and I know she won't find me like this. Maybe we can. See. Okay. Maybe we can be here. No, we can be here, guys. And I need my hands. I don't really know. Maybe clapping. Yeah, clapping, guys. There. Oh no, we're a little bit moving. Okay, she said ready or not. Here we come. Okay, I am seeing her right now. She's over there. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. She said, "Why is this moving plant?" Okay, since you find me. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna change myself back right now. Wait, guys. Okay, yay, I'm back to myself right now, guys. See, I think that's the smaller for me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be in here, guys. Okay, she said she's going to the bathroom, but I'm gonna surprise her here. Yeah, just like what I said. see. Okay, she's going right now. Like I totally hear footsteps, you guys. Can we see? Oh no, we can't. Okay, but now I hear she's spewing. Like she's spewing. Boom! Boom, sis. Haha. Oh no, I scared her. I'm sorry. So that's all for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, see you in my next video, you guys. Bye bye.